With a vision to boost the youngsters in fashion industries and to promote and expand the Karbi Traditional Apparels, Sabina Teronpi took her talent to the international platform at the second International Trade Fair held at Maniram Devan Trade Center, Guwahati. Sabina Teronpi is a fashion designer by profession. Apart from her profession, she had always been very active in promoting handlooms, traditional cuisines, and many more by conducting several fashion shows and also displaying her talent through her designs in Karbi traditional attires. Adding a note to that, she is also determined in uplifting women to be self-reliant. Likewise, this time around, to promote and expand, Sabina Teronpi again took the hardship and showcased her designs at the fashion show and also displayed Karbi Traditional Apparels at the second International Trade Fairs held at Maniram Devan Trade Center. Various indigenous Karbi traditional cuisines, jewelries, traditional gears, etc. were also displayed at the exhibitions. News Desk report for Karbi Live.